Hey everyone, welcome back to Kunai's Courses. I'm Atharv, and on this channel we learn coding and modern tech skills from beginner to advanced in a simple and practical way. This is part 2 of DOM manipulation. In the last video, we learned how to select elements from a web page. But selecting is just the first step. Now we are going to do the real magic. Change content, change design, react to user actions. This is where website becomes interactive. Let's start. So in the last video, we made this basic HTML file. Now, if I want to change this hello into, let's say, hello world, I'll go into my script file and write let title is equals to document dot get element by id, and then this is the id title, which now to change the text we write title dot inner text is equals to hello world. This is my first DOM manipulation. And now when we check our website and reload our website, it will say hello world, this is my first DOM manipulation. Explanation. First we select the element, then we use inner inner text to change what the user sees. Think of it like this. You have a whiteboard. Selecting is pointing at the board. Inner text writing new text on it. The moment you run this, the text changes instantly. Inner text versus inner HTML. Important difference. Now, title dot inner HTML is equals to I new styled text, and we close the tag. What's happening? Inner text only allows texts inside of it. Inner HTML allows HTML inside. So this will make the text italic. And the simple way to remember this is inner text is plain writing and inner HTML is styled writing. Step 3. Changing style. Design control. Now if I want to change the style, I'll write title.style.color is equals to red, or maybe let's say purple, and title.style.font size is equals to let's say 60 pixels. And now when we go into our website, it will show our text in purple color and bigger font size. Explanation. Now we are not changing content, we are changing appearance. JavaScript can control color, size, background and spacing. Think of this like you're not changing what is written, you're changing how it looks. Step 4. Making a button. Now I'll go into my HTML file and I'll make a button. id is equals to button, and I'll close the tag and I'll write click me. Now when we go into our script file, we gotta write let button is equals to document dot get element by id and make a button. Now we add a event listener which will check if the user clicked the button. So button dot add event listener and bracket click comma function, and then we do this and we add a curly bracket. Opening this and we write here console.log button clicked. And now when we open our website, it will show our button, and when we click on it, it says on the console we clicked the button. Real interaction. This is where it clicks for beginners. Now in our HTML file, we'll write over here change text. Now in our script file, we will remove our console.log and write here title.inner text is equals to you click the button. And now when we open our website, we reload it. Now when we click on it, it says you click the button. What's happening? The user clicks the button. JavaScript detects the click, the code runs, and the text changes. Now when we write here document.body.style.background color is equals to black, and when we reload it and click on this, it changes the background. Now clicking the button changes the entire page's background. This shows how powerful JavaScript really is. Story explanation. Think of JavaScript like a remote control for your website. Selecting elements, choosing the device, changing text, switching channel, changing style, adjusting brightness, clicking, pressing a button. Without JavaScript, website is static. With JavaScript, website becomes interactive. Quick recap. Inner text changes what user sees. Inner HTML adds style content. Style changes design. Add event listener reacts to user's action. And that's it. Now you can actually control a website using JavaScript. Not just write code, but make things happen on the screen. This is a huge step in your coding journey. I'm Atharva, and on Konai's courses, we turn beginners into real builders. In the next video, we are going to learn about events in JavaScript and how websites respond to user actions like clicks and typing. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!